Which paddle racket is actually good under $100? Simple question, but you need to dig a bit to find the right answer. Today, I'll break down 5 options that won't break the bank and actually perform well on the court. Product number 1: WLSRW Carbon Fiber Paddle Racket. First up is the WLSRW Paddle Racket, priced at $76.09. What caught my eye was the carbon fiber surface, which promises high-speed impact response. If you want a lightweight racket that delivers control and comfort for long play sessions, this is worth a serious look. Plus, the symmetrical hole construction enhances control and decreases wind resistance, helping you hit with accuracy. At 360 to 370 grams, it's light enough for quick maneuvers but still sturdy, making it suitable for intermediate players. Now, some people complained about the grip size being too small for larger hands. Here's the thing though, if you have smaller hands or prefer a lightweight feel, this might not be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you're an intermediate player looking to up your game without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you have larger hands or need a more robust frame. For the price, it offers solid value in performance. Now, if that grip size issue bothered you, the next one on my list might take a completely different approach. Product number 2: Hicking Carbon Fiber Paddle Racket. Next, we have the Hicking Paddle Racket at $126.82, but it comes with 3 tennis balls and a carry case, making it a decent deal if you're looking for extras. This racket's construction of carbon fiber and fiberglass caught my attention, ensuring better traction and ball control. If you want a racket that feels good in your hand and enhances your precision, this is worth considering. The standout feature here is the 68 precisely distributed air holes, which help reduce wind resistance and improve bat speed. This means you can swing it faster without losing control, which is especially helpful in competitive matches. The added comfort from the non-slip grip also allows for longer play without fatigue. However, some buyers noted that the overall weight felt a bit off for them. Here's the thing though, if you prioritize lightness and maneuverability, you might actually like this racket's balance. This is perfect for you if you want a well-rounded racket that's beginner-friendly but still offers advanced features. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultralight, as it might feel a bit heavier during prolonged games. For all the included extras, it's a fair investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize lightweight design. Product number 3: QF Enthusi Paddle Racket. Now let's talk about the QF Enthusi Paddle Racket, priced at just $66.92. What really drew me in was its teardrop shape, designed to balance control and power. If you want a racket that helps you play aggressively while maintaining control, this one is definitely worth checking out. The unique design helps in quick saves and consecutive returns, which are crucial in fast-paced games. Plus, the carbon fiber and EVA foam construction means it softens impact, reducing arm strain and keeping you in the game longer. It's ideal for all skill levels, so whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your skills, this racket has you covered. However, some users mentioned that the sweet spot can be tricky to hit perfectly. Here's the thing, if you're still getting the hang of your shots, this might be a learning tool rather than a perfect fit. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable option that offers a lot of features for its price. Skip this one if you need something specifically tailored for advanced play, as it may require some adjustment. For the cost, it's a solid choice for practice and casual matches. Now, if you're focused on comfort and power, the next racket might suit you even better. Product number 4: Head Extreme Evo Paddle Racket. Next up is the Head Extreme Evo Paddle Racket, priced at $126.77, but it's designed with beginners and intermediate players in mind. What I really liked about this racket is its comfort and forgiving feel, making it a great choice if you're just getting into the sport. The large sweet spot and soft foam surface mean fewer mishits, which is a game changer if you're still mastering your strokes. Plus, the Integra technology helps reduce vibrations, giving you a smoother experience on impact. This feature can really help boost your confidence as you learn. That said, some users felt it lacked power compared to other models. Here's the thing though, if you're more focused on control at this stage, this could be a great fit for you. This is perfect for you if you're new to paddle or looking for something easy to handle. Skip this one if you're already an advanced player seeking maximum power, as it might not meet your needs. For its focus on comfort, it's a reasonable choice for newcomers. Now, if you want something that balances power and control specifically for beginners, the final option is definitely the one to consider. Product number 5, Virovo Carbon Halo Padel Racket. Finally, we have the Virovo Carbon Halo EVA Softcore Round Shape Paddle Racket at an incredible price of $51.99. What stood out to me was the generous sweet spot, which is perfect for consistent shot placement. If you're a beginner or looking to improve your technique without being frustrated by mishits, this racket is a fantastic pick. The combination of EVA softcore and carbon fiber offers both comfort and durability, allowing you to play longer without fatigue. The matte finish enhances spin control, giving you the ability to add a little flair to your shots. Weighing between 355 to 365 grams, it's light enough for quick swings while still providing power. However, some players noted that it might feel too soft for aggressive play. Here's the thing, if you're focused on control and comfort, this won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out or want a reliable racket for casual play. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can handle high-intensity games, as it may not deliver the power you need. For the price, it's an excellent value for beginners. Now let's wrap up and compare all 5 of these options. So to recap, we've covered the WLSRW for control, the Hikine for versatility, the QF and Thussy for balance, the Head Extreme Evo for comfort, and the Virovo for great value. Each of these rackets has their strengths, catering to different needs and playing styles. Depending on your skill level and what you're looking for in a racket, one of these 5 will definitely suit your needs without breaking the bank.